Hey, so where are we headed?
To they'll get the tar parts and maybe the tar.
Yeah? Yeah. Are you excited?
Yes.
Me too. What are you most excited about with this car?
I don't know yet.
You don't know yet?
Yeah.
It's gonna be fun working on it together, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah? We're gonna learn about tools and engines. Daddy's never built an engine before. So it'll be interesting for both of us, huh?
Yeah. And I know you haven't built an engine.
Yeah.
Because I've never seen you.
Oh man. Hey, so we're gonna have to, what are our plans for the car? Are we gonna put like a cool body kit on it?
Yeah, we are going to put brand new stuff on it.
Yeah, new body kit. What else? Oh, racing seats.
Steering wheel.
A new steering wheel. You're right, dude. What else?
A spare tire in it.
Yeah, we're gonna get new rims. Yeah, you're gonna help me pick those out, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna be exciting. And then once it's all built, then what are we gonna do with it?
Test drive it.
Yep, and then we're gonna take it to car shows and what's on Saturday mornings?
Cars and coffee.
Cars and coffee. You got it, buddy. Yeah, we're super, super excited. I can't wait. Team boys, nuts. We literally just got everything loaded up in the van. This thing is packed with parts, guys. We got intercoolers, axles, we've got literally everything you can think of. We got bolts. We've got, what, bud?
I said, what the?
Oh, and you got your toolbox you're helping us with? We've got exhaust, we've got transmissions, we've got, but here we go, guys. Here we go. So, you guys want to see it? You want to see it? It's right here. Here we go. Look at that, guys. A 1993 MR2. Look at that. It's got the new engine. It's got the old engine. It's gonna be a fun project, huh, bud?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're excited. So, yeah, we can't wait to get this back and get it done.
I'm falling fast, sitting here praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap. I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall. Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top. Yo, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, then I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a perfect record, honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see you, bitch, always have a plan to stay tough. It's like the head of ain't easy, it was built to be rough. But that's what makes a personality, is tragedy, bruh. So keep your head on your shoulders. Now we ain't out here moving rocks. We out here moving boulders. Now we ain't getting posterized.
Well, there we go. I can't thank this guy enough. Yeah, we've done this too many. How many times now? Too many times. Too many times. But when you, no, we just do what we got to do. But there it is. It's in the garage. What do you think about, man?
Good.
Yeah? Yep. It's gonna be a fun little go-kart. So, anyway, engines are in. Now, what's it called?
Oh, wait. It's called a go-kart. It's called a car.
Ah, there it is. All right, guys, so there we are. There we have it. We're excited to get this going soon enough. Yeah, tomorrow I gotta clean it. Clean all this. It'll be fun. Maybe. We'll see. You gonna help me? Yeah, shocking. All right, guys, we'll see you later. Peace.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.